Carts? Farts. Oh my god. I saw somewhere online that a command line hangman game was a good beginner project. So today I wanted to attempt that. Let's jump right into it. The way I'm planning on tackling this is finding a list of words online. These will be the words we have to guess. The program should then pick one of those words and the user has to guess letter by letter. The program will only show the number of letters. We'll do underscores to show this. We'll need to take user input for a letter, then compare it against the letters in the word. If the letter is in the word, then the underscore will need to change to that letter. If it's not in the word, the user loses a life and we draw the next part of the hangman thingy, the gallows. First I need to find a list of words. Cool, this text file should do the trick. Let's head over to VS Code and start working on this. So the main parts of this program are going to be get random word, draw hangman, and actually play. I'm going to code it up now, and then when I'm done, I'll show you the script. Okay, I think it's working. Alright, the first part of this is the get random word function. This looks through the text file and returns a random word from the list. I had to return it like this with the 0 to -1 slice because there was a null terminator at the end of every word and it was messing with the rest of the code. Then this jumbled mess is just drawing of the hangman. This play function is the most important bit. First, it gets the random word, creates the progress string. This is the string that the user sees. It's just a string of underscores the same length as the word and gets updated as the letters are guessed. Initialize a variable that we use to keep track of the number of incorrect guesses. Then we have an infinite while loop that continuously asks the user to guess a letter, checks whether that letter is in the word, then decides to draw the hangman or update the underscores based on a correct guess, if that makes sense. First, it clears the terminal, then prints the previous guesses, then draws the current hangman, depending on how many incorrect guesses there have been. If the progress string matches the word, the player's won, so it prints "you win" and breaks out of the loop. If the number of incorrect guesses is 7 or higher, the player has lost, so it says "you lose", tells them the word, and then breaks out of the loop. If the player hasn't won or lost yet, it prints the current progress and waits for the user to type in their guess. Then it adds the guess to the list of previous guesses, and if the guess is right, it updates the player's progress. If the guess is wrong, it adds 1 to the number of incorrect guesses. This is the main part of the script. It just asks if you want to play hangman. If you type yes, it runs the play function. If you type no, it breaks out of the loop and ends the program. So that's how the code works. Great, let me give the game a demo. I mean, it's hangman. You know how it works, but I'm going to explain it anyway. So now you can see what the program looks like when it runs. I'll just do the starting move of guessing the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Darts. Carts? Farts. Oh my god. Okay, back to the regular old family-friendly hangman. I was using a joke text file. I hope you enjoyed that. So juvenile. Okay, A-E-I-O-U. Got some. S. I don't know. N. R. Sour sauce? No, we already guessed a U. Why am I so bad at this? Oh, I didn't guess O yet. Sour sauce. It has to be sour sauce. But we already guessed U. And E. Y. Soya sauce? No, damn it. C. No. It's definitely not sauce. H. I'm grasping at straws here. L. Oh, I know what it is. Somersault. Okay, one more. A. E. I. O. U. C. T. Okay, not a bad start. What could this word be? R. What is this? I have no idea what this word is. N? Okay, it should be easy now. Only one letter left. I'm just going through every letter in my head and seeing what could fit there. Am I an idiot? Nothing fits. Okay, maybe it's a word that I don't know. I'm just gonna try things that sound like words.
The possimpable. Inventing your own word shows creativity and vision. Visitivity.
Corporant. No. Corcorant. Fuck. Cormorant. What is that? Is that even a word? A large diving bird with a long neck. Oh, come on. How was I supposed to get that? Besides the fact that I'm an uncultured swine who doesn't even know the word cormorant, this was a fun project. Definitely try it for yourself, or if you want me to put the code on GitHub, just let me know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.